Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got a cool one for you today. 67 GTO. She's just as nice on the bottom as she is on the top, and it's got a numbers matching 400 under the hood. Let's take a look. Look at the paint on it. She is beautiful. I always check the grille, the bumper, the trim, the headlight bezels. I mean, all of these look like they're brand new. And then the body gaps here, man, you want to talk about straight? Check that out. And then the body work and the spray job on the paint, just absolutely gorgeous. When you look down the side, see how nice and straight all that is? You can see all the reflections in that red paint, just looking absolutely gorgeous. She is one beautiful GTO, 67, numbers matching, beautiful stainless, beautiful chrome. I mean, these are all things you look at when you're looking at a car. I mean, take a look at this right here, just absolutely gorgeous. You can see the door handles also most likely brand new, and then check out the interior here. Beautiful in there. Center console, the steering wheel looks stock, the dash itself's in beautiful shape, the back seats looking sweet. I mean, it's got seat belts back there, the package tray's looking good, the dome lights are working, the headliner's nicely stretched. I mean, everything about this car is just looking absolutely gorgeous. You can see the dash itself's in beautiful shape, the gauges on the faces look good, the lenses look good, all the knobs look good. I mean, just everything about this car. I mean, it's looking like somebody turned the clock back to 1967. She is just beautiful, and you can see even the door jambs. You can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. You can see it's got new door bumpers, it's got new rubber on it. I mean, just, I can't say enough good things about this thing. 67 model, looking absolutely gorgeous. The GTO emblem looks good. The chrome on the back bumper's also looking sweet. And then those tail lights, this is how you tell you got a 67 when those tail lights are set in like that. You know, the 66s have the covers on them. Inside the trunk, looks like we got a cover here. We got a spare tire there. You can see a nice fresh finish on the trunk floor. You always want to check the trunk floors in any car that you buy. Bottom side of the deck lid's nice. Also, you want to check this lip on the back side of all 67s especially. They don't repop these deck lids as far as I know, so you got to have a good one to start with. You can see all the stainless back here's looking sweet. And I mean, look at the reflections in that deck lid, man. You can see the blue sky, the white clouds. I mean, just absolutely beautiful job on this thing. And wait till we put it up in the air and show you just how nice the bottom side is also. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, everything goes in the air and gets inspected so we can answer every one of your questions when you call us at 248-974-9513. So call Tom anytime. It's GTO time, 67 model. Numbers matching 400, guys. You want to talk about sweet? This is one awesome automobile right here. GTO 67 model, it don't get any better than this. All numbers matching. I'm in love with a red GTO. Man, she's nice. Now we're gonna get it up on the lift like I said earlier, and we're gonna show you just how nice the bottom is. And at Vanguard, we do that to every one of our cars. To my knowledge, no one else in the industry shows you the bottom of every one of their cars. Power steering feels good, the brakes feel good. The only thing that I would change on this car is I'd put some loud mufflers on it. I want everybody to know I'm coming. Looks like they're unloading some stuff here on the street. Stay away from these guys. So call Tom anytime. We can deliver it anywhere in the world. Tell you, I'm having a blast. As you see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet down here. All the chrome looks good. The wood grain looks good. All the gauges look like they're working. All the knobs and switches and everything are looking sweet. Steering wheel's looking good. Now the steering wheel's canted a little bit to the left. We'll have them throw it on the laser alignment rack that we have there at the shop. We'll make sure we get that toe straight so that the steering wheel will be straight. No problem whatsoever. That's just a tiny adjustment. She's running good too, I tell you. I think I already told you the brakes feel good. And away we go. She is a beauty, man. They're gonna take this to an all GTO meet tomorrow. We got a GTO car show here in town. So this baby's going there. I expect it to do very well. I've seen a lot of GTOs in my time, and I'll tell you what, this is one of the nicest. So we're headed back to the shop here. We're at 15100 Keel Street. And don't forget, we've got 2 locations here. And also, make sure you follow us on our Facebook, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see all the cool cars we get in. All right, we're underneath this 67 now, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see the brand new tank, great looking paint on the frame. The trunk floor is painted up nice, looking good. It's got brand new exhaust front to back. The body mounts are new. You can see the pinch weld here where the quarter comes down to the drop down, looking good. We got the Pontiac 10 bolt with a 323 gear and limited slip. You can see brand new drums. I see brand new hardware for the brakes, and our guys will make sure they take everything apart, make sure it's assembled correctly. We got brand new shocks, we got brand new brake lines. I see brand new bushings and brand new bolts in the lower and the upper control arms here. Of course, brand new mufflers. They've painted the drive shaft to make it look like bare metal, which is very cool. I see brand new parking brake cable, brand new fuel line, brand new brake line. I think we're seeing a trend right here, right? Brand new. There's a whole lot of brand new under here. These floors look brand new. The paint on them is phenomenal. I see brand new seat belt bolts. Say that 3 times fast. We have the numbers matching Turbo 400 in here. Everything under here is looking sweet. Of course, the exhaust is new all the way up. I see brand new bushings in the lower control arms. The backing plates and the hardware for the disc brakes up front look brand new. The ball joints also look brand new. The bushings and the sway bar look good. The idler arm looks like it's new. I mean, all the steering gear looks like it's new. Plus, the guys will check it all out. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Bottom side of the radiator is nice and clean. You can see they're utilizing the cooler in the bottom side of the radiator for the transmission. You see the chrome looks good. And then we've got stock appearing wheels. We got the PMDs there, the center caps. These are BFGs, and these are 225/70 14s. As you work your way down, anybody that spends this much time on the bottom side of the rocker, I mean, look at the paintwork on the bottom side of that rocker. I mean, that looks better than what a lot of cars do on the hood. And you see the frame straight as an arrow. Most of the time, these things are all bent up. Guys have put floor jacks and stuff underneath there. This one's looking beautiful. Now out back here, again, good looking wheel, and more than likely the same size, 225/70 14s. And then that wheel well, look how clean that is. And then the wheel lip molding. And then again, I showed you the pinch weld on the other side. This thing looks beautiful back here. Well, we're gonna lower this baby down and take a look at the numbers matching 400 under the hood. All right, under the hood here, start right here. Now, everybody knows it looks at GTOs. This panel right here never looks this good. Look at that panel. She is absolutely gorgeous. Top side of the radiator looks good. All the hoses look correct. They got GM markings on them. The clamps look correct. The alternator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. The power steering pump also is nice and clean, got brand new hoses on it. The power booster on the brakes, that tells us we got power brakes. The master cylinder has been painted with some paint that makes it look like bare metal. Upper control arms look like they're all new. New bushings in there and new shims, so it's got a fresh job on the alignment. The firewall is nicely painted, all looking sweet. It's got a date correct carburetor on there. It is a 4-barrel, of course, and it is numbers matching 400. We spoke about that earlier. It's got a stock appearing distributor in it. I mean, just everything under the hood of this thing is looking sweet. You can see that even the spring on the hood latch looks like it's new. Even the safety latch looks like it's brand new. I mean, this car, I tell you, I'm giving it 100 out of 100. I love this car, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.